Hey, good morning from Madison Airport. We're finally flying out of here instead of Milwaukee. Oh, fancy. Good morning.
We're going on a boat.
So fancy. Yeah, well, tomorrow we're going on a boat. Today we're going to Fort Lauderdale. And
We're still going.
We're still going on a boat tomorrow. Tonight we're at Margaritaville.
How do you say alcohol?
Yeah. Well, we'll see how much we drink on the plane. Last time was a lot, so we'll see. But yeah.
Great.
Great. Ready to go.
Yeah.
Nuts and champagne. I am starving. On our way. Yeah, some enchiladas.
Yeah.
Oh, looks good. It's got like a little salad with it.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Like a bean salad.
Apple
It's got some olives.
black-eyed peas.
I wonder what this is.
A cheesecake.
Did you ladies want more prosecco?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, please. I will take round 2. I got like a vegetarian. Well, I thought it was vegetarian, but I think this is chicken. Chicken plate hummus. They have the best hummus on these plates. So I got some sourdough crackers. Ooh, golden silky dark chocolate. That looks great. Oh my god. Anyways, mom just surprised me with a gift card for the cruise for $500. I'm gonna go ham in the gift shop. And that looks really good.
Yeah.
Hey, good stuff. Anyways.
Connie had that. She said she had chicken enchiladas.
Yeah, she did. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I wonder what brand this is.
Okay.
Oh, it's nice. It's a Bottega Brut champagne. Our flight attendant just brought us a whole bottle apiece. Very nice. We have made it to Fort Lauderdale. Flight was wonderful. It was a little bumpy. It was actually the most turbulent ride that we've had in a while. So we're gonna get our luggage and then catch an Uber over to Margaritaville. I'm very excited. Wow.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Look at this view. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Oh, there's a pool down there too. But we're on the same level as the rooftop adults only pool. Also nice. We got surprise upgraded to a 1-bedroom suite. Holy cow. I just booked a normal 2-queen room. Oh wow. Wow, oh my god. And there's another window.
Oh, look at the lamp with the shelves.
Yeah. Nice bathroom. Ooh, very nice top. Very nice shower. Oh man, the rain shower. That is gonna feel so good. I got my eyebrows done yesterday, so I couldn't take a shower. Hey, I'm also wearing a Little Mermaid dress today. We never upgraded, so this is really nice. Oh, it's kind of weird. A clear door for the bathtub, for the toilet. That's weird. Do what?
The bar and grill is right down there.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna have dinner at the pool bar tonight. I have a coupon for a free blender drink cup. Oh yeah, there's the pool. Oh my goodness. Wow, dang.
There's the hot tub.
Oh, there's another pool over there.
Yeah.
Where's the hot tub?
In the middle.
Oh
in the back,
yeah.
the lady
Oh my
sitting there.
god. I packed 2 swimsuits, so I'm gonna go swimming tonight. Or obviously maybe in the ocean, because holy crap, that looks amazing. Oh wow. Yeah, this'll do.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I think so. Awesome.
I think this will do just
That
fine.
is amazing.
We do need to bump down this air though, because it's very warm in
Oh,
here.
we're supposed to have our own beach chair, right?
Yeah, so the $42 resort fee is supposed to include free internet and 2 beach lounge chairs. I do love having 2 lounge chairs right off of the balcony here. Oh man, yeah, it's nice. There's like there's a table here. Yeah, so you can bring some num-nums here and have some dinner or whatever, breakfast. I think the bottled waters are also included with the resort fee. I think so, and then also the coffee for the Keurig. So what's in here? Okay, so looks like we have a fridge, a very nice fridge. Maybe a little mini freezer? Maybe, I don't know. This is nice.
Oh, this is fantastic.
I'm ready to relax.
Oh, man.
It's been a long day. I thought I lost my camera at baggage claim. I spent the whole Uber ride over here thinking my camera had been stolen. But turns out
And Mama spent the entire ride over here praying it was in the back of the car.
And it was.
And it was.
And it was in the back of the car because someone's a dum-dum. That's me. Oh man, this is gonna be so nice. So excited. We are heading down to the pool. I got a brand new swimsuit. Not just my hair. Yay. There's a rooftop adult pool here, just down the hall. So it's about 3 o'clock. We're gonna go kill some time before dinner. We're gonna go to have dinner at the Landshark bar, which I'm very excited about. Their menu looks very good. We're just gonna go relax for a little while. Yeah. Hey, well we got here just in time. It's 3:30 and they're closing at 4 for a private event, which is kind of shitty, but it is what it is. It's nice up here though. So we can always move down to the beach. Yeah, see, they're getting ready for a private event. Let's get in the pool. Didn't film the lobby because we were too excited about our room upgrade, but look at this chandelier with all the upside down margarita glasses.
Oh, how cool.
That is really fun. There's like nobody here. I think that's why we got the upgrade, because it's a Thursday night and we're only here for one night. So
I didn't notice the big sailboat.
yeah, those are pretty traditional in the Margaritaville hotels. Nice. Oh yeah, here's the store. We got a coffee shop here. Kind of looks like a little Starbucks. Oh, you can get alcohol-infused drinks here. Actually, prices aren't too bad. You also can get pizza and ice cream. Nice.
They have Bailey's and Kahlua you can add to it.
Yeah. Oh boy. Yum. Yeah, maybe you can get some breakfast.
Yeah.
Ooh. That's pretty. I like that cover up. Really pretty. Very nice. It's very colorful everywhere in here, and I do love it. Oh, I really like this one. It looks like my cotton candy jersey from Disneyland. It's cute. Very cool. Very nice. It absolutely wouldn't be Florida if I did not come down to the beach. You better believe I got my suit on. I am running in. I don't care how cold it is. It feels so nice. Amazing. Perfect day. Perfect day in Fort Lauderdale. Just wanted to show this seating area in front of Margaritaville. It's really cute. It's a big old boat. It's a boat. It's really cute. Anyways, they're cleaning up because they're going to close the pool at sundown. But this pool is really nice too. It is not busy here at all. But again, it's a Thursday before Memorial Day, so everybody's probably getting here tomorrow. Let's go get some dinner. Din din.
Take your time, take your time. No need to worry. No, no, no.
Pretty good.
Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. No need to worry. Oh, take time now, take time, take time, take time.
Anyways, we just sat down for dinner. The Landshark Bar and grill. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I already forgot what it is. That's alright. You got a 5 o'clock somewhere. Looks really good. Yum. Yeah, mine's like Uncharted Waters or something like that. I don't know. It sounded good. Pigeon. Margaritaville pigeon. 2 pigeons. 2 Margaritaville pigeons. So cute. Got a Caribbean chicken salad. Looks really good. Mom got the fish tacos. Yay! Yeah, those also look really good. Nice. Yum, I'm starving. Boardwalk is amazing. Also, they're filming this dude. I don't know if he's famous or what, but he's got a whole film crew following him. If you know who this guy is, tell me in the comments. I have no idea. But dinner was really good. And on the other side is the pool. Well, one of the pools. There's actually 3 pools. So there's 2 kid. There's a kid pool, really. Another pool that's next to the beach, and then the adult pool on the 11th floor, which was my favorite. It's too bad it closed early for a private event. Ah, wow. This is really nice. I would come back here again. Very, very nice. So fun. Surrey bike. Heading back to our room. We're pretty tired. We've been up since 5 in the morning traveling, so we're gonna head out to the room, dry everything off that's been in the water, and take showers and chill out, and then crash. So our boarding time tomorrow is at 10:45. We're gonna leave here at 10:15. And yeah, so it begins tomorrow, our first experience on Concierge on a Disney cruise line. We are going to be boarding the Disney Magic. I'm very excited. So as when I booked the room, I will be very blunt and say this room was about $500. It's Memorial Day weekend. All the hotels were $300 to $500, so I just decided I was going to just stay somewhere nice, and it ended up being a very good choice. Especially getting the upgrade. I booked originally a 2-queen ocean view room, and we got upgraded to a 1-bedroom suite ocean view room on the 11th floor next to the adult only pool, which was so nice. Also, I got these little perks so I could choose what I wanted, and I ended up getting this booze in the blender. It's just a stupid little blender sippy cup. It just says Margaritaville. At least it could say, you know, Hollywood Beach or something, but it doesn't. This is the Margaritaville on Hollywood Beach, by the way. But I did get also a free keychain. So that one actually does say Hollywood Beach. If you have a feeling, Mom's gonna steal it because she keeps badgering me for it. So probably give it to her. I have enough keychains. Sean might kill me if I add another keychain. So anywho, it's been a really nice day here. We went to the adult pool, we went to the main pool, I went to the beach, and then back to the main pool, and then we had dinner at Landshark Bar and Grill. That's where we were. And we got to watch the flow rider going the whole time. Our waiter was fantastic. I had a chicken Caribbean salad. Mom had fish tacos. We both had a drink. I will look up the description of those and post them during our meal, so hopefully you saw that. And yeah, I think we're gonna watch the sunset out here. I have a feeling sunset's on the other side, but at least the sky should still be pretty. Weather today, perfect. High of 86. Absolutely amazing. And so far, the weather on our cruise also looks amazing. High of 87 for Castaway Cay, sunny skies, chance of rain currently 3%. I cannot even be more thankful. So anyways, we kind of made a disaster of this room already because traveling with Mom is like traveling with a tornado. But yeah, this has just been such a fantastic room. Shower felt great, by the way. It was beautiful walk-in rainfall shower. Beautiful. So nice. I love having the, I walked out of the bathroom after my shower, looked outside and thought I was on a cruise ship because I just saw pure ocean. Oh my gosh, this place, expensive, but worth every penny. If we had wanted to, we also, so the resort fee is $42, includes free internet, bottled water, and 2 lounge chairs and an umbrella down at the beach if you chose to do that. So that's kind of nice. We did not do that. We just wanted to go to the pools. But yeah, all the water here also very warm, which I very much appreciate. So hoping to hear this band tonight. I hope it's good.